Micron Technology could be very interesting for swing traders going forward. Let me explain why. We will take a look at one of the big trends in storage. This is something I used to work with in the past, so I'm very well versed in the subject. We'll take a quick look at history as well. And since I'm talking about swing trading here, I won't show data on revenue or earnings. This is just an interesting case for those who want to gamble a bit. So as you can see from looking at the stock performance historically, this company has seen a lot of volatility. And going forward, there's a case that this will indeed continue. So let's talk about the storage business and what's been going on with this whole vertical. So in the past, in the data centers, in the storage that we need for all the modern applications that we use today, do you think your Instagram is run on your phone saving every picture? No, it's server storage somewhere in the world. Alright, so in the past we had this hard disks, this hard disk drive, HDDs. It was nearline SAS and SAS. Basically a spinning disk. If you have a very old computer at home, you can open it up, open the hard drive, and you will see it looks, yeah, it's a spinning disk in there actually. Whereas modern disks have little cells in them instead. They're called flash drives in this case. No, not the one you stick into the computer, although this company also makes those. Actual little tiny squares that make up memory cells. Alright, why are you talking about this, Andreas? Let's get to the volatility. Alright, here it comes. So in the industry, there's a new type of disk called storage class memory. And when I was selling storage, this was very new technology. It was just emerging. It had few use cases. But as the technology matures, as it becomes cheaper, as it competes with flash drive more for performance heavy workloads in AI and things like this, well, then there's potential that there will be a lot of speculation around this, and that the Wall Street analysts might look at companies such as Micron that's doing this. Indeed, the company has a very high valuation right now in terms of price to earnings, but who cares? If you're a swing trader, you're just gonna want to buy on news and sell on news and things like this. So with the march here of storage class memory being more and more used, well, then this is something that a story can be built around, and something that can garner interest from investors, creating this volatility that swing traders love. Alright, so that's been a trading idea for swing traders here, looking at Micron Technologies. And as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.